Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can play audio through voice chat on Roblox. So go to more and make sure you have enabled your voice chat. So go to privacy here, make sure you've verified everything. Select enable. Then you're just going to want to download an app, maybe like Clownfish or Voice Mod, that can play like soundboards and stuff like that. But you're just going to basically select a game, and then you're going to select that microphone. I don't have it enabled right now, but you're going to go to settings here, go to settings, and then go to input device and select that microphone. Then you're just going to unmute and you're going to basically play the audio that you want. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.